Presido Muhammadu Buhari don inaugurate plenty projects for Katsina State as part of him 2-day working visit. Plenty people come out to show Presido love as he commission these projects. These projects when Presido dey commission, they under the restoration agenda of Governor Masari of Katsina State. The first project na the over 2 billion naira Kofakora underpass when go help reduce traffic for the area and still add to the beauty of the capital city. Governor Masari still follow Presido Buhari go inaugurate the upgraded Kofakora Katsina water works when go help the people get ogbonge water to drink. Presido Buhari still inaugurate the Katsina Revenue House for the Katsina State Revenue Service. Governor Masari and Presido Buhari say internally generated revenue for the state don't increase well. On top healthcare, Presido still inaugurate the Katsina General Hospital to help provide better healthcare for Katsina State. Governor Masari contact Presido Buhari for the support we don't give the state so far.
We are very grateful, Mr. President. We thank you for your presence and for your intervention and for the patience to listen to us. And that is what the leadership is all about. Selfless service, unbiased service.
Presido Buhari and say Governor Masari don't do well for the state, especially for healthcare and education matter.
I congratulate you, Governor. We are pleased that we are associated with your successes. You have picked your priorities, and I'm very pleased your priorities are our priorities as a nation. You have done so much in education and in health. That is the fundamental thing.
Presido Buhari constantly advise big men for Nigeria, make them think of Nigeria before themselves and help government fight Boko Haram.
We are defeating Boko Haram as much as we are defeating all the enemies of this country. But we have to persuade the elite to please think more of the country than themselves individually. If they were doing that, I assure you that the governments in Nigeria will be having a nice time. As it is, they are having a rough time.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. No say I'm give any politician the election day.